Breaking news from JMB's 5th grade news channel. Well, there is an eruption of a volcano in Hawaii called Volcano. But don't worry, it's minor and isolated. Erupting involves hot lava and ash. Lava comes from the ground and bubbles until it can escape, causing an eruption like in this diagram. When ash rises from the eruption, it forms ash clouds that can cause serious damage to the air. Ash can make acid rain pour from the sky. There are about 170 volcanoes in the U.S. There's 35 in Mexico, 25 in Canada, and 110 in Chile. In fact, most volcanoes are located in the Ring of Fire. It has a total of 452 volcanoes. Hawaii was formed by a lot of volcanoes, and it is noted for its number of them. For people who aren't familiar with volcanoes, here is a safe demonstration of what happens when a volcano erupts. Cleaning up after volcanoes is a costly and time-consuming process. Communities have to give a lot of effort to clean up after the ash. When Mount St. Helens erupted, the city of Yakima removed 544,000 metric tons of ash. It took 7 around-the-clock days and cost $5.4 million. This is Lauren Hudsmith reporting from JMB's 5th grade news channel.